Assalamualaikum. I am your maths teacher. This is exercise 3.3. Subtract the following: ones, 10, 100, 1000. We minus 7 from 8, we get 1. This is 0 and this is 6. How we minus 6 from 0? Then we borrow 1 from 5, it becomes 4, it becomes 11 and it becomes 10. We minus 6 from 10, we get 4. We minus 2 from 11, the answer is 9. We minus 1 from 4, we get 3. B. We minus 6 from 9, we get 3. Here is 0. This is not possible. Here is 4. This is not possible. Then we get 1 from 8. It becomes 13. It becomes 10. We minus 3 from 10. It will be 7. We minus 4 from 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 8. We minus 5 from 7. It will be 2. C. We minus 6 from 8. It will be 2. We minus. It is not possible. Then we borrow 1 from 5. It becomes 4 and it becomes 10. We minus 1 from 10. It will be 9. 4 में से 4 minus k, that will be 0, and 6 में से 3 minus k, it will be 3. 4, 5, D, E, F are your homework. Do by yourself. Question number 2. Subtract the following should be in your notebook. मैं आपको नोटबुक में इस क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके दिखाती हूँ. A 4000 minus 3124. Exercise 3.3. Question number 2. Subtract the following. Question number 2. Subtract the following by shortcut method. Shortcut method, whatever this is shortcut method, but you have to maintain a solution column. This is very important. When it is not possible, we minus 0 from 4, then we get 1 from 4, it becomes 10. Where we make 1 from this 10 out, this become 9. And then it becomes 9 and it becomes 10. We minus 4 from 10, it becomes 6. We minus 2 from 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We minus 1 from 9, it becomes 8. This is your answer. It's your wish if you want to do this in solution column. It's upon you. If this is not possible, how we minus 5 from 0? Then we borrow 1 from 6. It becomes 9. It becomes 9 and it becomes 10. We minus 5 from 10. It becomes 5. We minus 8 from 9. It becomes 1. We minus 3 from 9. It becomes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6. And there is 5. We minus 2 from 5. It becomes 3. This is your answer. Question number C, do by yourself. Assalamualaikum. This is exercise 3.4. Fill in the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. My 234 minus 0. It becomes. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में से 0 माइनस करते हैं या 0 ऐड करते हैं तो उसकी नंबर वैल्यू पे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. That's we write here again 234. 542. We minus 1 from 542. It becomes 541. We minus 336 plus or minus 336, it becomes 0. मैंने आपको बताया जैसे कि पहले कि हम किसी भी नंबर में से 0 ऐड करते हैं या 0 माइनस करते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यूज़ पे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. दैट्स वाई वी 2475. इफ़ यू माइनस 1 फ्रॉम दिस नंबर, तो ये आंसर आया है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा 1, 2, 4, 6. अब आप माइनस करके देख लें 1, आपका आंसर यही आएगा. एज़ यूजुअल अगर आंसर सेम आ रहा है तो यहाँ से आपने 0 को माइनस किया. डेट्स वाई आपका आंसर सेम है. दिस इज़ एक्सरसाइज 3.5. सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड चेक द आंसर इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, तो ये मैं आपको बुक में करके दिखाती हूँ, सॉल्व करके दिखाती हूँ जर्नल में. दिस इज़ योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 5782, 2391. We solve this here. First we write the First number 5, 7, 8, 2 and then 2, 3, 9, 1. We minus 1 from 2, we get 1. It is not possible, then we borrow 1 from 7, it becomes 6 and it becomes 18. We minus 9 from 18, we get 9. We minus 3 from 6, we get 3 answer. If we minus 2 from 5, we get 3. Check purpose, because this is in the question, check the answer. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे कि जो हमारा आंसर आया है उसे, और जो हमारा नेक्स्ट नंबर है, ये फर्स्ट नंबर कॉम्बिनेशन है, दिस इज सेकेंड नंबर कॉम्बिनेशन, वी ऐड दीज बोथ नंबर्स 1 and 1 2, 9 और 9 18 का 1, 3 और 3 6, 6 1 7, 3 and 2 5. This is same 5 7 8 2. This is right. Okay. If there is something wrong, then you solve it not right. Okay. This is not correct. If you have a mistake in it, that's mean you have made a mistake in this question if the check is not right. Okay. Question number 2, 4321 and 115. 1 में से 5 माइनस नहीं हो सकता. We borrow 1 from 2, it becomes 11. We minus 5 from 11, it will be 6. 1 में से 1 माइनस गए 0, 3 में से 1 माइनस गए 2, 4 में से 4 एज इट इज़ आ गया 4206. अगर हम इसको चेक करते हैं तो ये देखें 5 6 में 5 ऐड किया, दिस इज़ 1 1 11, 1 और 1 2, 2 में 1 ऐड किया 3 and 4 एज इट इज़ द सेम थिंग इज देयर. That's why this is a right, we solve it correctly. Okay, 3 4 5 6 are your homework, do by yourself. These questions are very important, do practice of this exercise. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.